Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down CircleCI. It's an important idea in DevOps. So, what is CircleCI? CircleCI is a cloud CI/CD platform known for fast builds and easy parallelism. It's one of the core ideas in DevOps. Here are the key things to know about CircleCI. First, ODs for reusable configuration. Also, resource classes for different compute sizes. Another key point, test splitting and caching. On top of that, strong Git hub integration. Finally, CircleCI server for self-hosted. And that's CircleCI in simple terms. Come back for another DevOps concept tomorrow.